Hi everyone, this is me, the Orange Tamang from Let's Help YouTube channel, and you are watching PHP series. This is the third part on session super global variables. Today in this lesson, we are going to learn or we are going to destroy the session. In previous two lessons of session, we have learned how to start session. To start session, we simply write session underscore start parenthesis and semicolon. Today, we are going to destroy the session for that. Sign in using a username and password from this login form. Username, let's help, password 1234. And let's log in. As when I log in, it redirected me to the welcome.php. After this lesson, we have learned in previous lesson. So, to destroy the session, we need a button logout over here in this welcome.php page. For example, as you see in the Facebook, when you get logged in into the Facebook, you will see a logout button when you click on this arrow button. Here it is a logout button. If you click on logout button, it will destroy the session. So likewise, we need a logout button in this welcome.php. So for that, I will open this welcome.php text file, and just below the PHP coding, I'll write a HTML code head1 hashtag now log out. So this is a logout button I have created. Let's save it and let's refresh the page. You'll see a logout, but it does not act as a button over here. So it is a text. I'll use anchor tag ahref reference. I'll use as sign. Here I've used a hash sign. So in place of hash sign, I'll use logout.php file. Let's save this and refresh the page. You'll see now the mouse became a hand when I take the cursor to the logout. So when I click on this logout button, the session will destroy. Here I have redirected page to the logout.php, but I haven't created a logout.php file. So that is why it is displaying one notice that object not found. So let's create a logout.php, a new file. Let's save with logout.php. Now let's see. Let's echo message first of all, whether it works or not. Echo you are log out. Here, when I click on this logout button, it must display the message, well, you are log out. Here, it display me the message, you are log out. That means this hyperlink, this link is properly set, and to destroy the session, we need to code here. Now, to destroy the session, we need to write a code in logout.php file. So there are two ways to destroy the session. That is, number one is using unset function, and next is destroy underscore session. Session underscore destroy. Session underscore destroy. With the help of these two method or function, we can destroy the session. So in unset function, we'll write unset, then $_session, and the session variable name in which we have set the name in session. We will destroy the session using both the method. Firstly, we'll destroy the session by using this unset function. To destroy the session, we need to start session. So session underscore start. Now, as I said that we will use unset function to destroy the session. So we'll write unset $_session. Now, session variable name means a name that you have set as a variable name under session. So in login.php, you have set this uname as a variable under session. So just copy this uname and paste it over here. Just close this. Let's save it. After doing this much, your session will be destroyed. So let's check it whether it is working or not. First of all, let's log in. Let's help. Password 1234. You are login. Now welcome. Let's help. Now when I click on logout button, the session must destroy. So I'll click it. So it redirected me to logout.php. Let's open a new tab and let's open manually welcome.php file. Localhost /php tutorial /welcome.php. So when I open this welcome.php file by typing manually in address bar, it must redirect me to login.php if we have been signed out or logged out from this. So let's check it. So it is working properly. We have been logged out with the help of this logout button. But still something is missing here. When we click on logout button, it redirected us to the logout.php, but here the page is blank. So it should not be blank. For example, when you sign out in a Facebook or from a Facebook, at the time, does the Facebook page will open blank? No. The Facebook will redirect you to the login page. So in the same way, when someone clicks on logout button here, or when I click on logout button here, it must redirect me to the login.php file. So for that, I'll use a header. Now location will be login.php file. That means when the user gets signed out or log out from this page, the user will redirect it to login.php file. So let's check it. Let's help. First of all, let's log in. 1234 login. Now when I click on logout button, it should not display this blank page. It should redirect me to a login.php file. So let's see. When I click on logout button, it redirected me to the login.php. So this is the how we use a unset function to destroy this session. While using unset function, you need to define a variable name. Now let's see how the session will be destroyed using session destroy. As I already said, to destroy the session, you need to start session. So I'll keep this session underscore start as same as it is. Now I'll write session underscore destroy. Let's save it. Only this much. No need to define a variable name, a session variable name here in the session underscore destroy. So let's save it. Now let's sign in with the help of username and password. Now when I click on logout button, it too will redirect me to the login.php. Now you have learned how to destroy the session using unset function and session underscore destroy. The main points to be kept in mind about this unset function and session underscore destroy function is that while using unset function, you can destroy a a small project where one or two variables are set under session. If a large number of variables are set under session, it will be not possible for us to remind all those variables name. We need to declare all these variable name to unset the or to destroy the session. I think you have got it how to destroy the session using both unset function and session underscore destroy function. But there's some points to remember. Number one is that there is a problems while using onset function to destroy the session. Well, in our project, we have set only a one variable, that is username only in a session. But in a bigger project, we have to set many variables in a session. So to destroy the session, we need to call out onset function regularly for every variables that was set in session. So whatever the variable name that we have set in a session should be called out by using onset function regularly, one after the another, to destroy the session. So to use this onset function to destroy the session in a bigger project is not suitable. So this makes the program complexity and it consumes more time. So the best alternative way is to use a session underscore destroy to destroy the session. So here we need to remember all the variable name, a session variable name which we have set under session. So simply we'll write session underscore destroy, parenthesis close, parenthesis open and close, and the session will destroy. Hope you have understood this lesson. Practice more, and if you have any query, please comment me in a comment box. If you like this video, please hit a like button and share with your friends in your Facebook timeline. Thank you so much for your support. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.